Quiet.
I'm thankful for the rankings.
Billy. Everybody get quiet. Keep quiet.
I'm thankful for our mom, our nine sisters, and God.
Yeah. Awesome.
I said this last week, but I'm thankful for the opportunities and chances that God gives us, such as strengthening friendships in our family.
Raise your hand if your life has somehow been changed by the rankings. I know mine has. Because y'all changed me too. So raise your hand if you've been changed somehow. That's what I'm thankful for. Look y'all hands.
Amen. Someone else thankful for something? What? Thankful for what? You're thankful for me? I'm thankful for you too. Anybody else? Listen. Stop, Georgia. You don't get a free pass. Anybody else? Anybody else got something you're thankful for? Quiet. Hey Jay, I'm gonna need you to move over there in the back, buddy.
I'm thankful that 3 years ago when I started coming here that the people here changed me for the best. Before I came here, you could see me as a bad kid, and now I don't act, and I'm not the way I used to be.
Amen. Hey, look, it's not us that did anything. All we are doing is what we're called to do. God does the changing. Amen. Somebody else? Somebody else want to share something? Whoever's flicking their heels. Who?
Guys, got two things I want to tell you about. One first is, you know, you guys get to come, right? You guys get to come here, and that's awesome. But I wish you was here. But there's a lot of kids that are staff member kids that might not necessarily get to come. They gotta come. They gotta come on nights the ceiling's gotta be painted. They gotta be coming on nights that this place gotta be clean. They gotta be coming whenever there's nobody here and there's nothing fun to do. I'm thankful for people like Jaden and Josie and Devin and Raven and Kaylee and you know the kids that's not that they're any different than you guys, but they're here in the grunt work time. You know what I'm saying? When y'all are at home, these kids been drug here, and Devin, Kaylee, I know she's here, but Josie and Jaden, I'm great, and I thank you guys for being patient and realizing what we're doing. And that leads me kind of to my next thing I'm thankful for. I love pictures. I love God gives me these pictures in my mind. They're not voices. Those voices are different. They're not really probably God talking to me. They're voices different. They're not real. That's not real because Josh's video. But I was going to work the other day. Now bear with me just a little bit. And I got away. I go to work. Big crazy. I think I'll pay attention. The way I go to work, been going to work that way for about 8 years now. And the other day, I took the same left turn I took every morning. And I looked off to the right, and on the side of the road, in the middle of the ditch, guess what was growing right there? No. Out in the middle of nowhere, a corn stalk was growing up. One corn stalk all by itself. Just growing in a place that it shouldn't be, right? And can that corn stalk feed anybody? No. But you know what that corn stalk can do? It can produce 1 ear of corn, maybe 2 ears of corn, which it can also produce more seeds. And before long, that one corn stalk can turn into a crop. just like you guys, if you'll realize what's inside of you, you may feel like you're one cornstalk in a place you shouldn't be. If you'll just take and do what God's asking you to do, be what God's asking you to be, you can turn into a crop someday. And you guys, we're depending on you guys, because Kelly may not want to admit it, because I don't. We ain't getting any younger. And one day we're going to need somebody like you to step up and take the reins. And I'm thankful for a group of kids that I think, you know what, there's a cornstalk in here somewhere. And I think that you're going to turn into a crop.
Amen. That's a good word. Don't you think? Don't you want to be a cornstalk? Cornstalk and turn into a cornfield.